Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to share a Dropbox link in 2025. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sending files to friends, or working remotely, Dropbox makes it easier than ever to share your stuff securely. This updated guide will walk you through the latest features, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Dropbox account. If you don't have one, it's free to sign up. Just head to the Dropbox website or app. Once you're in, navigate to the file or folder you want to share. It's as simple as clicking through your folders or using the search bar to find what you need quickly. Now, here's where the magic happens. Right-click on the file or folder, and from the drop-down menu, select Share. You'll see a new window pop up with options to generate a shareable link. Click on Create a Link. This will generate a unique URL that you can copy and paste anywhere. But wait, Dropbox in 2025 has some cool upgrades. You can now customize your link's settings right away. For example, choose who can access it, maybe just people with the link, or specific email invites. You can even set expiration dates or restrict editing permissions to keep things secure. Once you're happy with the settings, hit Copy Link, and you're good to go. To share it, paste the link into an email, a chat app like Slack or WhatsApp, or even post it on social media. Your recipients will get instant access without needing a Dropbox account themselves, as long as you allow it in the settings. A quick tip: always double-check your sharing options to avoid any privacy mishaps. If you run into issues, like the link not working, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. And there you have it. Sharing Dropbox links is straightforward and secure in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.